Alright, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. Today we'll be streaming the KOTOKO live watch along actually. We'll be talking about KOTOKO game, BEREKUM Chelsea KOTOKO. Will be giving you my reaction and how things go as the game starts. So first of all, let's start with the starting lineup. Now for the starting lineup, KOTOKO starting lineup, that will be Danla Ibrahim, Augustine Ajopong, Sharif Mohammed, Stephen Mokwala Dese, Jordan Fegi, Isaac Opong, Richmond Lamte, Sharif Mohammed, and John Tedeko. We have Rocky Dramena, Mohammed Al Hassan. Those are the players starting for KOTOKO at the moment. So if you're joining, tell me where you're joining from and subscribe if you haven't. Tell me where you're joining from and subscribe if you haven't. Stephen Amankona starts for BEREKUM Chelsea, by the way. Alright, let me share. Let me share our link on Twitter. Ooh, not that one. If you're joining, tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from and subscribe. Tell me where you're joining from and subscribe. We have 30 minutes before the game starts and we'll talk about the game. Before it starts, I'm sharing the link on social media. Alright, Steven Acho says, watching you live from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, fabulous to Chelsea 1. Thanks for your prediction. If you're joining, please drop your prediction and tell me what you think will happen in the game. Steven Acho, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. What is going on? What is going on? That is not supposed. This is supposed to be the watch along. Why didn't it change? I'm coming, guys. Give me a few minutes. Then yes. Alright. I'm trying to change the thumbnail because the thumbnail was showing the wrong thumbnail. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not supposed to do that. I'm trying to change the thumbnail because the thumbnail was showing the wrong thumbnail. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not supposed to do that. I'm trying to change the thumbnail. Okay, we're showing it now. Showing it now. Alright. Asante Kotoko just posted the official starting lineup. I'm going to put it on the stream right now. Just give me a few minutes. I'll put the starting lineup. Okay, I got it now. Mohammed Sharif. Alright. Okay. Let's go. An image. Alright. Image 5. Let's go down. See it? here. Right? That is it. Alright. Okay, we have 12. Okay, if you're joining the live stream, please tell us where you're joining the live stream from, and you know what to do. Tell us where you're joining the live stream from and drop your prediction. I'm sharing the link. Sorry guys, just give me a few minutes. Few minutes. I'm sharing the lineup. Alright. Alright. Please, if you're joining, please tell me where you're joining from. Alright. So, sorry about that, guys. So, I was looking at the starting lineup. I saw that Danlad Ibrahim is back. It's a very good. It's very good that he's back, but he has to show why the coach should trust him. He has to show that he deserves to start. Then we have Augustine Ajapong, Mohammed Sharif, Mohammed Al Hassan, John Tidiku, Mohammed Al Hassan, right? Yes, Mohammed Sharif. The two Sharif starts. Wow. Rocky Dramena starts. Rich Molamti starts. In the absence of Alright, is Rashid Notti here? Rashid Notti didn't make the squad. I thought Rashid Notti will make the squad. He did not. Wow. Cherokee Dramena is here because Richard Wedu is facing suspension, so he's not here. So up front we have Stephen Mopala, George Mfuege, or Georges Mfuege. George Mfuege is starting. Okay. Alright, so George Mfuege is starting, Isaac Opong is starting. I'm not surprised about that. Stephen Mopala is starting. It looks like Abdul Gazelle is not going for the 4-4-2 anymore. It's going for the normal 4-2-3-1 formation. I think Rich Molamto will be playing as number 10 position. Isaac Opong and Fuege in the wings, and Stephen Mokwala will be striking. That is how I see it right now. Stephen Mokwala is striking, Isaac Opong and George Fuege in the wings. In the midfield we have Rocky Dramena and Mohamed Sheriff. It's going to be very, very crucial for Kotoko. Let's see at BEREKUM Chelsea lineup. I heard Steven Amankona is starting. Yeah, Steven Amankona is starting. So they have Emmanuel Zakaria is the captain, Collins, Kufo, Sapon, Amankona, Fravien, Otara, Patrick, Yo, Dankwa, and Dramani. Those are the starting lineup for BEREKUM Chelsea. It's going to be a very, very good game, but I think Kotoko can squeeze a result. I am sure that a lot of Kotoko fans will be happy if Kotoko end the game in a draw, but me, I want the win because this particular game is one of the games that will, in fact, this is the game that will tell Kotoko where they will finish at the end of the season. It gives them a hint of how they will finish this season, if they will finish at the top, if they will retain the title, or if, you know, yeah, so because it's so if you're joining, if you're alive, I know some of you are live. If you're alive, please drop your predictions and tell me where you're watching from. Drop your predictions and tell me where you're watching from. The game starts in a few minutes, so we have time to talk about it. Now, as the Ghana Premier League is starting this weekend, it's good that Kotoko game is the first game that is starting. The only problem I have is the parks, the pitches. I don't know how good the BEREKUM park is. I don't know how it will affect the boys today. I hope it's actually good because I'm expecting Kotoko to get a good result against BEREKUM Chelsea. We really need to get the results. I say we because I want Kotoko to win, and that is why I am here to tell you guys that Kotoko are going to win. Draw, I know, I told you, like I said earlier, most of you will take the draw as a good result. For me, I want to win. Anything other than a win is not a good result for me. So if you're joining the stream, tell me where you're joining the stream from and drop your scoreline predictions in the comment section. Okay? Tell me where you're watching from. Drop your scoreline predictions in the comment section. We have 4 people live now. Tell me where you're watching from and drop your scoreline predictions. Tell me where you're watching from and drop your scoreline predictions. Me personally, I think Kotoko will beat BEREKUM Chelsea 2-1, and Mfuege and Mukwala will score today. That's what I think. Mfuege and Mukwala will score today. So if you're joining, this will be a live watch along. So subscribe if you haven't and click that notification bell. Okay? The match starts in 20 minutes. Thanks for joining. Put down in the comment section. Put your predictions there. Put your predictions there. Let me get water. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. I want to get water. Alright, I'm back. Sorry if you're joining the stream. Tell us where you're joining the stream from and drop your prediction. Now, this game is going to be tough, I'm not going to lie. Am I scared? Who isn't scared of playing BEREKUM Chelsea away from home? I'm coming, let me look at the record again. BEREKUM Chelsea. Very tough team at home. Very, very tough team when they play at home. And you know, anytime a team plays against KOTOKO, they want to show that they are, you know, the boss. They want to become Barcelona, become Bayern Munich, become Man City. Alright. BEREKUM Chelsea are currently 8th on the Ghana Premier League table. Sorry about that. BEREKUM Chelsea are 8th on the Ghana Premier League table, and if they beat KOTOKO today, they are going to... Oh, I think they'll still remain where they are. Yes, they'll still remain where they are, but it's going to give them a very, very good advantage, and they'll be breathing on the neck of Accra Lions, Bibiani Gold Stars, KOTOKO, and obviously House of Oak. So BEREKUM Chelsea have lost only one game at home this season, and that was against Real Tamale United when they lost 2-1 at home, 6th of November. So they're actually beatable at home if KOTOKO can keep their composure and play without fear. BEREKUM Chelsea can be beaten. They lost just once this season, but they drew against Bibiani Gold Stars, Tamale City, Edwana Stars. In fact, they have not won in their last two home games. They have drawn both of their last home games. 2 home games. They drew 1-1 against Semele City and 1-1 against Aduana Stars. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are yet to win a single game since 9th of March. The last 4 games have ended in 0-0 draw versus Blue Tamale United, that's away from home. BEREKUM Chelsea, Tamale United, that's they drew 1-1 at home. Then BEREKUM Chelsea, Aduana Stars, they played 1-1 at home. Then their last game was against Great Olympics, where they lost 2-1, which means after that 2-1 defeat against Great Olympics in Accra, today they'll be looking to make amends when they play KOTOKO. So it's going to be a very tough game. I won't lie to you, it's going to be a very, very tough game. So hopefully KOTOKO can beat BEREKUM Chelsea. If you are joining, like I said, put in the comment section and tell me where you're joining from and drop your predictions. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we're back, yes, and of course we're counting down to the kickoff. But let's hear from the two coaches. Maybe we can listen to them and get some hints as to exactly what they have in store for the game.
Start times with a bad, very terrible audio. BEREKUM Chelsea are yet to win in their last 4 games. They have lost 3. They have drawn 3 and lost 1.
the two coaches. Well, Caselli kind of explains why, but it's not because he wants to. The player is suspended, and it will be a big blow. But he reckons he's got a way around it. From what he's saying, it'll be difficult, please.
Yeah, of course. I mean, he's a coach. Yeah, he really like to put premium on Richard Wood. Of course, he says it's inspirational.
Have you guys seen the nature of BEREKUM Chelsea pitch?
Top players in KOTOKO. So obviously, whether he's going to miss him or not, he's not going to say it because Rocky Jamina had his chance at Summerboy. He scored, he played well until he got injured. So for me, he's giving the other players the confidence. So I'm not worried about what he said. But the point here is that he wants to bring a chance. And can they do it? And BEREKUM Chelsea coach he's going all out to win the game because in 2 games that he's played against ASANTE, he has struggled. I mean, the first one in Baba Esposito, he took the lead and KOTOKO came back from behind to score 2 goals. So he did it at his own backyard. He wants to go all out. And I want to see both coaches giving us some tactics, and then let's see how the game will flow.
All right, we're counting down to kickoff. It's a big game, no doubt about it. Everything seems to be in order. The conditions are great. We're hoping more fans will join in. This is what we keep saying. It's Friday, and the pitch, from here looks okay. But let's not talk too much about that. The players, fortunately, are used, or should I say, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you want to look at it, they're used to playing on pitches like this. So that should not be an excuse.
That shouldn't be an excuse at all, especially from BEREKUM Chelsea's point of view, because
But it's their home.
they are home grounded. They have no excuse than to play very well in front of their fans. Talking about Colin Zameya for Edwin Asamoah and Dramani.
Alright.
We relied on this afternoon.
I hope you guys are seeing it. This is the current
If
state.
anything that at all should happen in this game, then it should be through that.
Oh, thanks, Beko.
Dramani, we should keep an eye on him.
Well, I'm looking at it now.
That is the current state of the BEREKUM Chelsea pitch. I hope you guys can see. That is the current state of the pitch.
Or probably has gone through since when BEREKUM Chelsea.
That's outrageous.
When he came from the bench, he was not complaining. He was really, really focused. So I want to see how you play this game. Whether he provoked on the field of play, the colleagues will see very
Just take a look at the nature of this pitch.
or not. But I also want to see.
Thanks for joining the stream, Beko Rich. That's the nature of the pitch. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable.
It's Jack Moore last time. He wasn't shot a few seconds ago. Probably the most experienced on the pitch today. Has he made that impact for which he was? Well, these 2 goalkeepers are there.
Alright, we have 6 minutes before the game starts. Thanks for joining us. If you're joining, if you're joining, please drop in the comment section and tell me where you're joining from and drop your predictions. Also, the game starts in a few minutes. In 6 minutes, the game should start. That's the nature of the pitch. BEREKUM Chelsea pitch is outrageous. Alright, if you are live, if you're joining us live, please drop the comment section and tell me what you think about the nature of the pitch. Honestly, I think KOTOKO will win. I told you before, if you're joining, I say KOTOKO will win 2-1. It's going to be very difficult. Isaac Opong, he hasn't been in his best form. In figure this season, it's not in figure of last season. Stephen Mukwala has come from international call-up, and he needs to settle down a little bit. I think he has had the time to settle down. So I'm expecting KOTOKO to come out full force and beat BEREKUM Chelsea. BEREKUM Chelsea have not won any of their last 4 games. 3 draws, 1 defeat, and that was against Great Olympics away from home. They played Great Olympics in Accra. They played Great Olympics in Accra in their last game. So if you're joining, tell me where you're joining from and drop your predictions. KOTOKO. My prediction is that KOTOKO will beat BEREKUM Chelsea. And if you are live now, please just like this video, because the more you like it, the more YouTube will recommend it to more people. Oh, start time. So the game is about to start. Alright, the game just started. The players are coming in right now. If you are joining, please drop your prediction and tell me where you are watching from. Sorry, if you're joining, please tell us where you're joining from and drop your predictions below. The Star Times audio, I don't know if you guys are watching, the Star Times audio is horrible. The Star Times audio is horrible. God forbid. Star Times audio is horrible. Alright, thanks for joining. I think more people are joining. If you are joining, please subscribe. Like this video right now, and the game is about to start. I'll be giving you a live commentary on the game to be live watch along. And drop your predictions and tell me where you're watching the game from. game is almost starting. Just give me a few minutes. Alright. I'm sure if you are watching from the TV or you're watching from the Star Times app, yours might be faster than mine because I know the game already starts. I'm coming. Let me restart my stream. Let me restart my stream. Alright, kick off. For those of you watching, I hope you can see the nature of the BEREKUM Chelsea pitch. I hope you guys can see a pitch that's been approved by the Ghana Premier League. You guys can see the nature of this pitch and how terrible it is. I hope you guys can see that. Wow. Ghana Ibrahim came out to claim the ball, but he couldn't, and the ball was almost gave BEREKUM Chelsea the lead. He came out to get the ball and he couldn't, and BEREKUM Chelsea almost took the lead. That was risky. Alright. Hey for Kumi, thanks for joining. Please, I don't have rights to show the game. This is a live watch along. I'll be giving you commentary and I won't be showing the game, just commentary and my thoughts on the game as it goes. That's what I'll be giving you. I won't be showing the game live. For those of you joining now, I won't be showing the game live. It's just commentary. Look at the nature of this pitch. God have mercy. Look at the nature of this pitch. Unbelievable. Look at the pitch. BEREKUM Chelsea with the attack. That's Steven Amankuna. Mohamed Al-Hassan with the ball. Guys, Azikopong. George Figgy. He's offside. So this guy. Oh. Pass to him. Sorry guys, it's still 0-0 here. If you are joining, please tell me where you're joining and put your predictions in the comment section. So far, it's 2-0. Mancona is trying to mesmerize the defense, but it's not going through. Alright, Ezekopon with the ball. That's a yellow card, ref. That's a yellow card. He drew him back. That's a yellow card. Officiating is terrible. That's a yellow card. So he literally drew him back. You can see. Drew him back. That's a yellow card. That's a yellow card. See the nature of the pitch. How would anyone invest in the Ghana Premier League with pitches like this? These are the games. Before a game is televised on TV, they should look at the nature of this pitch, for God's sake. That's an offside. Sometimes I've been giving the Ghana Premier League all full officiating since they got the deal to televise the Ghana Premier League. Sometimes I've been giving us all full coverage. Officiating, the coverage, everything is just shambles. Look at the quality of the sound of this stream. Look at the quality of the sound. How is that? Oh, how is that a foul? That's a foul. That's an offside. That's an offside. BEREKUM Chelsea just had an effort which I thought was an offside, but the ball hits on. In fact, the player beat Ghana Ibrahim and the ball hits on the bar. How is that not an offside? How is that not? I need to see the replay to be fair or judge. That looks like an offside all day. That's an offside. I need to see a replay. That looks like an offside. I need to see a replay. That guy is offside. Officiating in the Ghana Premier League is like done. Anything that happens now, don't be too surprised by it because that is what we face in the league. Officiating. That's why we have only few FIFA referees here. Another opportunity by BEREKUM Chelsea. Ghana Ibrahim is laughing. He's laughing. That's another opportunity. Oh, he almost scored. BEREKUM Chelsea have not won any of their last 4 games. This is the game they will start acting as if this is it.
BEREKUM Chelsea have almost everybody in the KOTOKO half as we speak. It's a free kick advantage
Okay, the audio is okay now.
to Chelsea.
The audio is back.
Maxwell Hansen, a little bit of a caution there. Noticing the happening going on in the 18-yard box. Here comes the free kick. As long as direct, it's Janla to the rescue.
Yeah, this time he stuck one away from danger. That's the goalkeeping.
And good recovery by BEREKUM Chelsea, and then he goes down. The referee saw that action. Good fight back by BEREKUM Chelsea. Would want to keep the momentum, the pressure on the porcupine Warriors.
Yeah, I love the skill, great skill from Draman.
This guy here, tell me where you're watching from and give a
On
prediction.
the first side in the first 8 minutes.
I would agree with you. Emmanuel in goal for BEREKUM Chelsea.
Free kick for BEREKUM Chelsea.
Free kick is on. Sherry's header gets it out of contention. Richmond Lamptey
Pass the ball.
in the midfield. And then
Let's defend it.
George Infegi.
Stand up. Oh, stand
Maria
up.
goes down. Gets the advantage of the free
That's like a foul.
Again, going on the counter. It's Richmond Lamptey with the pass, but a bit too far away for Infegi to latch onto it. And look at the recovery from
Oh, that's not a foul. There's no way that's a foul.
Had a foot to it and clear push from behind from Infegi.
Free kick taken by goalkeeper Emmanuel Elu. Ball is cleared by Mohamed Al-Hassan, but he doesn't go too far.
Look at the nature of this pitch. What has
Switch
missed?
to the other end. Good play. BEREKUM Chelsea keeping their heads up so far. It's a long crossing. Still have the advantage of a drive. To the
Ooh.
distance. And again,
Another
Dan Ladd has
another opportunity for BEREKUM Chelsea. That lad with his nice save. They have been striking from outside the box.
But when the moment in front of Dramani here, the Chester was okay. Lovely control and went for the volley.
corner kick is on. Chelsea still probing in the 18-yard box this time. Japan will help with the clearance.
Let's go, Mukwala, let's go.
By Dese Mukwala, and away he goes. Surrounded by white shirts, there are 2 or 3 of them. Safety first.
Mukwala is a baller.
Play from Kupala. Looking for options. Nobody there. Did well to control the ball and held on to it. Got a throw in from that. And KOTOKO seems to be going on the counter because BEREKUM Chelsea are really pushing them to the back.
Yep, 10 minutes gone. In the first half is goalless. Lamptey's cross dealt with and then cleared out. Now in the middle is Colin Samiao. He seems to be the easiest player.
Nice one. Pass the ball.
First 10 minutes for
Pass
Chelsea.
the ball.
To have an advantage as they come
Oh my
forward.
God.
Pass not the best. Crushed in there by Dramani Ewuah.
Lamptey has lost it. In fact, Lamptey is
KOTOKO need to
finished.
settle.
I'm telling you that Lamptey is finished.
They need to get themselves into the
I'm
game.
surprised
They need
he's
to
even starting.
pass this together.
Thrown in by Sharif Mohammed. Cleared out for the best of clearances by Chelsea. They still need to do a lot more. This Nejepon joins the attack. Opon finds Nejepon.
That's one, Jamena.
Opon tries to pass through the middle. Put out. Let's play. Throw in. KOTOKO will still come forward. Pass over nicely by Sharif. It's Lamptey. Dese Mukwala now. Options go to the left.
How is that a foul?
And eventually it's Chelsea who have the advantage.
Yeah, Chelsea are defending in numbers. You can see the number of white and blue shirts around the 80-yard box, and before trying to lift the ball above. Tereku got in that process.
Zakaria takes the free kick. Kalu couldn't get to it. It's taken
Hey.
over by Sharif.
Oh my God.
Kamina.
It's going to be a long day with Charlie. It's going to be a long
Now
day.
it's Mahona.
It's going to be a long, long day.
He was hyped up before the game. And in the 18-yard box, Kalu was looking for a quick turn and a shot on target.
Nice
Will
one.
not let that happen.
Yeah, brilliant defending for Bo Sharif.
Nice one.
Japon's pass, and it's Opon. Can he drop it down nicely? He
Calm
does.
down. Before you...
Decent cross is expected. Oh!
What did you miss?
That was
How
a
do you
deep
miss that?
goal post.
What do you think? They just missed an empty post.
Amazing cross, and yeah, you expect
How do you miss that?
to finish on with a flourish, but his timing into that cross. Cross a bit drifted away from him, and so
How do
he's
you
using
miss
the
that?
outside of his foot to connect home, but then again, it's a yawning net.
Go with your
Had he
head.
connect that ball
Oh my God.
straight into the net, it would have been an open goal. A perfect response.
You feel you just missed the sitter. Go with your head. Go with the flying header. Oh my God.
Scoreboard should have been reading 0-1.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Go with your head. Go with your head.
But that was the reply that KOTOKO needed to
Assemble.
send to BEREKUM Chelsea.
Asante KOTOKO had an
Chelsea now have a
opportunity
free kick
Aguero had an opportunity to make it 1-0. But Infege made the wrong decision of going for the ball with his leg instead of his head. It could have easily been 1-0. The goalkeeper was nowhere to back. The goalkeeper was not there. He has given up. He's just left for Infege to just make connection with the ball and score the goal. But Infege has missed. Still 0-0. Now BEREKUM Chelsea have a free kick in a very dangerous area.
And it was a game against KOTOKO. He goes wide.
He goes wide. Please let me know if you can hear me. Drop your predictions and tell me who you think will score the first goal. Tell me where you are watching from and drop your predictions.
Look at the technique. Went for legs, they said. Took a slight ricochet of the KOTOKO wall. Corner kick advantage to Chelsea. That's a long one. Send it back in and it goes out. No problems at all for the defense of KOTOKO. Danlad Ibrahim would initiate an attack for them. But KOTOKO have been under a cosh for a while.
Yep.
And it looks like Danlad Ibrahim saved some sticky situations.
Danlad Ibrahim has been commanding so far.
Goal post to score. Technique of George Infege did not work out. Ball brought down and dropped nicely by Gaston. Sheriff is beaten. Collins sets up the build-up. Kanu Watara to the near side. It looks good.
There is a Mangona. There's a Mangona.
Looking for that opening for a drive on target. That didn't happen. It happens for Flavien.
They are just shooting from outside. They have not made any, goal threats. All the shots are being shot from outside the box. I mean BEREKUM Chelsea. But KOTOKO can win this game. The way they are playing so far, from what I've seen, or what I'm seeing, KOTOKO can win this game. There's nothing special about BEREKUM Chelsea. Just that the pitch is awful. Very, very bad. The nature of the pitch is horrible. But God have mercy. Just look at it.
Chelsea will come slowly through the middle and then down the flank. Ball in by Patrick. Swinging them up on that fires, but it's blocked. Appeals for the penalty. Referee says it didn't happen. Yeah. It's all nicely for Steven Amankona, who blasted the ball with the left foot. Was more an answer with a block here. Hit his face. And again, Chelsea asking all the questions.
Danlad Ibrahim be commanding. I need this. Be commanding. You are the captain. Be commanding.
The midsection of the game for ASANTE.
Please, if you are live, tell us where you're joining from. And do the scoreline predictions.
Obviously, the home fans of BEREKUM Chelsea. They're going forward now. Here's Collins. Sets up the cross.
Nice one.
Easy does it in defense, but Flavien fancies the chances of them coming forward again. Composer. It wasn't anticipated, but apologizes for that. Yes, I need to communicate, he says. Yeah. A bit of this communication is speaking apart, isn't it? Super for BEREKUM Chelsea this afternoon. Flavien Composer, former Ghana star midfielder. Yeah. But that time that pass was really awful. So far, so good, especially for Gaston. He's been able to hold on the threat of Amankona coming in from the left.
I don't understand. Able to hold on Amankona. How many goals has Amankona scored since he joined BEREKUM Chelsea? How many goals has he scored? As if the threat, as if Amankona is a threat. Amankona is not a threat. He's already as KOTOKO. He scores penalty and his media people deceive KOTOKO that KOTOKO went to sign him.
Push forward. Figgy went up and he claimed that the head knock.
How is that a fact? Oh my God. Kale officiating the Ghana Premier League is the reason most of the people are not going to watch games. People are not going to the stadium to watch games because of officiating like this. How is that a fact? How is that a fact?
coming forward, 18 minutes gone in the first half. Chelsea have been the busier of the two sides. Asilu. Amakuna sets up the long blast into the 18-yard box.
Alright, Kotoko with the counter attack. Oh.
Unfortunately, the thing is passed for goal is a bit too strong.
It's going to be a long game.
The Chelsea defense.
It is going to be a long
Talking about
game.
Steve Guala, Ifege, and Isaac Opon. Yeah, and Ifege trying to just pop the ball to the path of Opon.
Asilu into the 18-yard box. Kalu Ouattara got his head to it, and it wasn't too strong. There's no power behind that. Augustin Echipon clears.
Nice run when I get there.
Opon keeps it in play. Fortunately, he gets a throw in.
Yeah, it's difficult for Isaac Opon to control the ball. The ball kept bouncing. That is where Chelsea are really setting. They know the pitch. They know how to put passes around the pitch and on the pitch. And KOTOKO are really struggling. They are struggling to put passes together.
Lift the ball, pass the ball. I don't know why it's delaying. If we can release the ball very fast.
With a slow-paced attack of his team, urging them to come forward.
That's a foul, ref. That's a foul.
That's a free kick
That's
advantage from Chelsea.
And on cases where KOTOKO go on the counter, they look really threatening, very dangerous side. But it has been BEREKUM Chelsea who are really working for the first goal.
20 minutes gone. That's too strong for Amakuna to get to.
20 minutes gone, Kotoko 0.
So heated and well
BEREKUM
prepared was
Chelsea
this young
0.
man, Stephen Amakuna. We understand he spent 2 hours of the day before sorting his new hairstyle out. That hairstyle, we were told, was to frighten and to beat KOTOKO here today.
Yeah, it's looking good on the left side for Chelsea.
Trapped in the middle nicely is Collins.
Follow, put pressure. I'm oh my god. This player. Let's go.
Lamptey coming forward, looking for Mukwala. Mukwala took off a bit too early. Flavien, free kick advantage to BEREKUM
Ghana
Chelsea.
Premier League officials, they don't know how to allow ball to flow. Any small thing, peep, as if they want to show that they are in the pitch. They want to show their relevance. Any small thing, they want to blow the whistle. Any small thing, they want to blow the whistle. Ghana Premier League officials, they
Sets up the pass. Amakuna claims he was impeded from behind. The referee will have none of that.
Yeah, it's a good call from Maxwell Hansen. Yeah, Makona is looking for it. With the pass here. Yeah, nothing in that from a Japan. And Makona just trying to calm the referee.
Yeah. Well, that did not materialize. But KOTOKO seems to keep their head up as they come forward slowly and surely. John Tedeku joining the attack. Trapped there nicely by Mukwala. Yes, Sharif centers one into the 18-yard box as he is there to receive. KOTOKO will still maintain their composure, rocking Gambin at that time a bit.
Yeah. And KOTOKO having a bit of a spell on the ball. Picked up some wonderful passes before Ghana picked that final ball.
Before moving threateningly forward, but that crosses the line, so in advantage to KOTOKO.
There's no way you watch this game without complaining about the nature of the pitch. Just take a look at where
Chelsea have won twice.
the professional
Five of the matches have
Premier
ended in
League,
draws.
Ghana football, look at the pitch.
Here at the Golden City Park.
Which team in Europe, which team in the world you want to decide the player that plays on this pitch? It's unbelievable. It's really, really unbelievable.
To the Golden City Park to pick up points.
And last season, when KOTOKO won the Best Power Premier League, they ended up drawing here at the Golden City Park.
The only home loss so far for Chelsea is that 1-2 defeat to Real Tamale United. Played out referee seems to have noticed something. He's giving the advantage to BEREKUM Chelsea. Amakuna is down.
Yeah, again, Amakuna. Yeah, a little bit of contact there from Sharif. From behind.
Ghana Premier League referees, they want to blow the whistle every time to show their
KOTOKO is
relevance.
really poised for action today.
Ball in the scores for Kotoko today, it would be his first goal for BEREKUM Chelsea, but he's already scored 4 Kotoko this season.
Yeah.
That will be interesting. 23 minutes now. Tension is mounting up as the ball is placed for final delivery. Looking for a possible thunderbolt and a shot on target. Against the wall, the human wall, and it will end up in a corner kick for BEREKUM Chelsea.
Congoza seems to be the player taking all the set pieces around the penalty box, hitting so well.
Corner kick for BEREKUM Chelsea.
Always good with one technique, putting laces through.
Yeah. Corner kick. Floated from the right.
Nice punch shot by that lad.
Still in play though. And carefully, Kotoko clear out. Richmond Lamptey. It's a long ball towards Mukwala. Edwin Ford did well. Shepherding the ball to across the line for a goal kick.
And again, it's another counter from Kotoko. Lamptey is just trying to pick a perfect ball for Mukwala. A bit too far ahead, and Mukwala can't lash onto it. That is when Kotoko needs to pick the perfect balls, the right passes. Yeah.
Quick water break. Listen, Mukwala, it's not found it going too easy, and it's simply because the
Water break. Water break. Water break.
been there.
Currently have water break. So far,
That's the
Kotoko are
value
playing.
about the supply for Mukwala. He is the top scorer, but has only managed to score 2 goals away from home, and he needs the supply to finish up today. And he says thankfully that what they've done in training, today must be a glorious day for Mukwala, because today he must get the supply. I've not seen it.
They are
Well,
not
the
saying
supply certainly hasn't been there. Ifege has also kept himself busy, but he's drifted towards the right-hand side of attack for the ball-keeping Warriors, and that is where he's putting a lot of pressure on Patrick Asiu. Patrick so far has not performed
right back. The water
so
break.
onto the fourth, and again from the middle, I think they're missing the hard work of Richard Boyd. And I'm sure that during the game we might probably see the inclusion of Enoch Morrison somewhere along the line.
Yeah, they're missing the talisman. And when we ace the driving force from Master Santikolopo, transfer
Sorry,
today.
is there, including some top officials of Asante Kotoko.
Yeah,
Water break. Water break.
but then again,
Right back.
I've been very impressed with the 3 up front for Kotoko. And on the counter, they look sharp, they look like they have one understanding. Isaac Opon, Stephen Mukwala, and George Ifege.
A lot was also expected from Iwua Dramani, walking out of shot a couple of seconds ago. Partnership with Kalu Watara is what should make things tick here. But it's only 26 minutes gone. We're still in the first half. It's BEREKUM Chelsea 0, Asante Kotoko 0. Maxwell Hansen will get us underway, and the goal kick will be affected by Emmanuel Edu. Michael is put to it, but it's cleared out nicely.
Again, the control from up that let him down.
I'm back.
Was trying to control the ball with the outside of his foot. Yeah, controlled that ball perfectly well. Could have been a chance.
Long throw by Patrick. Sheriff was in there. Well, the quick reaction from the fans naturally will be penalty.
Yeah, and this one they'll be missing the status of a free measure. Yeah, I'm gonna get causing all sort of problems here. It's been a delight to watch today, but Carl is trying to turn away and can't go past Mo Sheriff.
Alright. 2-0-0.
Intelligence is needed around that area.
And Carlo thought that he would have a quick one over the Kotoko defense. It's a throw in Augustine Echipon.
Oh.
Could not trap that one well. Gives the advantage to the opponents. Patrick with the throw. Someone from our heads down.
Now Makura seems to have the better of the duels whenever he comes up against the Japan down the left side.
And in the heart of the KOTOKO defense was Sharif Mohammed and Mohammed Al Hassan. What to be those two? Free kick is Dramani who are behind the ball. To the 18 balls and Dala comes out. Carries that out to for a corner kick, I should say.
They come between two bikes. Dramani with a delivery here, but you expect the lad to deal with it here. Again, caught between two bikes, whether to punch it or to catch it.
Dramani shot is fired from behind from Flavian. No positive effect. So BEREKUM Chelsea will have to start the build up this time from their own half. Forward with the ball. It's a long ball towards Kanu. Kanu got his head to it.
Ooh,
And again,
almost a goal.
Janda saw that coming, went down for that. But the defense of KOTOKO, long balls are not their forte, as it were.
Poor defending from KOTOKO. You saw Mohamed Al Hassan and Sheikh Lake.
Sidu tries to get one through. Defended nicely by the Porcupine Warriors. Yes, Sopong. Fake ball has been taken away from him by Collins. Sets up the pass. Going down that byline is Stephen Amankuna. He's got the seam to help. Lovely play by Chelsea.
Offside. You all know that one. That was offside.
Brilliant play from BEREKUM Chelsea. Was building up nicely for them, and Amankuna in the thick of affairs. Under the cosh here. Lovely 1-2 from Amaya, and Amankuna was left all alone, but made in an offside position. But then again, you would expect better defending from KOTOKO, Mo Al Hassan, and Mo Sharif. Almost always in line, and so whenever the ball is float just beyond them, they are really in tatters.
Played out by Mohamed Al Hassan, but
Cover him, don't give him the space to shoot.
Collins finds Flavien. Lovely. Yes, Asiedu. Centers the cross, but it's a bit too strong. So they'll have that advantage for a push on Richmond Lamptey.
Yeah, and Chelsea, because they are playing very well, they know the pitch and they are putting passes together. They should be making use of most of the opportunities created. I mean, they are fluffing the opportunities. They are not making good use of them. And I'm afraid it might come back to haunt them. KOTOKO is a top team. Like, when you get them at this stage, when your teams are up, you need to finish home with a flourish.
31 minutes gone, we're down into the last quarter. No goal to separate these two sides.
Why is the referee blowing every time? What is going on?
Lamptey not too happy with the referee's decision. Free kick caution by Maxwell Hansen. Free kick advantage to Chelsea.
Any small thing the referee blow the whistle. Any small thing the referee blow the whistle. It's as if he loves doing it. He wants to show that he's here. He wants to show his presence. There's a referee in this game. Any small thing sometimes allow advantage. He will not. He wants to blow. Every time he wants to blow.
Strong.
What's going on? Stopping the play, stopping the flow of the game.
In the
Since
final third, because I'm not really happy.
any small thing he will blow for the blow foul. Any small thing he will blow foul. Allow the game to flow.
The middle, that's nicely. Semokwala lays on the pass. It was clipped from behind, but the referee says play should continue. The cross finds favor with Emmanuel Edu. Comes a long one downfield. Nicely controlled by Kalwatara. Collins sets up the pass. Coming in to support is Wadramani.
Foul ball ref. That's a foul on the goalkeeper. He won't blow that one.
Yeah, brilliant goalkeeping from the lad this time round. Punches the ball.
Let's go. Let's go.
But here comes Mokwala. Finds Augustine Ejimo. Lamptey taken over by Stephen Amako. Nicely done. Gets a return. Tries to play the 1-2 with the Wadramani. Richmond Lamptey takes the advantage. Oh, heckling from Dramani from behind. Kotoko have the advantage of a free kick. Defending by BEREKUM Chelsea now. It's Augustine Ejimo again.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
And Collins is not too happy.
Yeah, on the blind side of BEREKUM Chelsea.
Takes the ball.
Liverpool should be hitting that ball the first time and you're delayed.
We have an opportunity coming through for Augustine Ejimo. Doing a bit too much. As he declares. Good ball controlled by Kalu, but the ball has been taken away from him. Brought down by Colin Samuel, but he loses it. Chelsea regain their composure as they come forward.
Kotoko are not playing well. In case you are not watching the game, so far Kotoko are not playing well.
Extremely difficult.
They're not playing. I don't know if it's the nature of the pitch, but Kotoko are not playing well.
Free kick
To be a
advantage.
miracle if Kotoko wins, if Kotoko wins this game, to be a miracle if Kotoko wins this game. But right now Kotoko are not playing well.
Challenge on him.
So disappointing.
So,
It's a long ball in by Flavien.
How is that a foul?
And it's a free kick to BEREKUM Chelsea. Looks like a Mancuna. Gonna push
How
it
is
back.
this a foul? How is that?
yeah, he's been the tomato in chief alongside Kalu Watara. Again, Concorza with a long pass. But look at Makuda in front of
This is a
Richard Paul.
dive.
Was there?
This is a
Can
dive.
you see that?
Oh, you are not on the field. The referee is he's alright. He says it's a free kick. So another opportunity coming there. BEREKUM Chelsea. 10 minutes to half time. Man who got a goal when these two sides met in the first round. Emmanuel Sabo is behind the ball. Joined by Kalu Watara. Fancy his chances of a drive on target.
Well, someone was just about taking the kick, but something happened against Watara.
And he bent against the wall. Still has the opportunity, fighting as he comes from the referee. Notices the heckling.
That's a poor free kick from Kalu Watara. He's just trying to bend the ball, curling around the wall. Was able to do that, and then again, when he got the second bite of the cherry, the first control let it down.
Yeah. Last season, when these two sides met here, it ended goalless. Very, very tough encounter. But when Chelsea went to Kumasi, they managed to pick Kotoko by a goal to nil. There's lots of revenge on the minds of the Porcupine Warriors.
You are not here for revenge.
Because you have to pick points, not to go.
Kotoko have almost always been tough customers when they come to the Golden City Park. Chelsea's
Pass the ball.
home win against Kotoko happened in the year 2016. On the far side, but Chelsea will not allow Kotoko any room to operate. But he picks up the ball nice and easy. On the far side, and that's a bit of a
Nice defense. Nice defending.
I mean, you understand him. It's, for me, brilliant play from Kalu Watara. He's looking for options surrounded by two Kotoko players. Nobody there. He can't get the options he was looking for. He's been very, very good. Very enterprising, very amazing with his runs. Watara.
advantage Chelsea, says Centre.
The way the commentators are talking about Steven Amankona, you would think he has scored 50 goals this season.
With the throwing, it's Watara causing all sort of mayhem to the Kotoko defense. Wins a free kick out of that. If he says throwing rather.
Throwing advantage to BEREKUM Chelsea. And 4 fancies a long one. There we go. Headed down nicely. Watramani, upward bounce. He sets up the pass. And this time it's Danlad. Second bite of the cherry.
It's a save you expect Galan to make,
Yeah.
but he spills it the first time. And again, the ball took a wicked bounce in front of him, made it difficult for him to grab it the first time and then I make the second time. At that time, there was a foot.
There was a knee that ended up hitting his head. And it's a bit of a worry. The fans are feeling the heat.
It's a bit jittery. That lad at times in this game. I mean, we've seen in times that his judgment has not been spot on. Sometimes he needed to punch, he needed to catch it. He's been caught between 2 bites.
Yeah.
Again, this time around, we expect him to make an easy save out of that, but he spills it the first time and grabs it the second.
But for the fans who are here, the expectation is quite understandable. Chelsea haven't won in their last 4 games at home. Lost to Olympics, drew against Indiana, drew against Tamale City, and a draw against Real Tamale United. Mokwala needs the support. Tiliku comes in to help. Yes, Lamptey.
That's a corner kick. It's a corner kick.
So again, Kotoko would want to send a quick response.
Yeah. The moment you take your eye off them, they will punish with clearly was dangerous movement for Chelsea. Slapped him, showing his brilliance again.
Corner kick to Kotoko. Richmond and Lamptey will defend this. It's going to be a left-footed out swinger. Not to bad anything, but not too far. And I think it's shot goes wide.
Figgy tried to score, but his shot went high.
And the header from Husseini, but it fell for Figgy here. It catches it very well. It's just looping to the top corner. But a bit over the bar here. An excellent first control, hits it so well. Yeah. Just a bit over the bar.
Yeah, high and wide it went. Steve Yamaka now. Sees his composure goes down from that tackle. And I guess one of the reasons, and I'm sure it's a strategy.
Yeah, look at the skill again. He has some flashes of brilliance today. Still the man
Goes into the 50-50 tackles, goes down, wins a free kick, gives lots of opportunity for his colleagues.
And today he's not really complaining that much. He's not that player talking like we used to see.
Yes, he's noted for his quick temper. Today he's kept the temper under check. There's a free kick for Chelsea. The far side and eventually it's booted out. Straight into touch. Throw in, it will be to BEREKUM Chelsea. Obviously not the kind of shots to beat Danlad Ibrahim in goal.
Well, it's a difficult one. And Stephen Amankuna trying to take it on the half volley. Oh, it's a difficult technique.
Asante Kotoko are giving the ball too soon. Like, they can't hold the ball for 5 minutes.
Saves long pass into 18-yard box. Danlad will come out.
Get this ball out.
Again, Kalu Ouattara, the headman, is sought after with those long balls. But the defense of Kotoko pivoted around Sharif Mohammed and Mohammed Al-Hassan. Not so far, so good. Not by one is down. Apologizes.
The pitch is a disgrace.
Yeah, Mo Sharif to Mo Sharif, but again the first control from Mo Sharif, laying down. So the first
pitch.
controls.
It's a disgrace.
The ball goes up, he gets to the ball.
Oh, officials.
Referee charges that challenge will be quite unfair. Ghazali has been on his feet and he's been issuing instructions since the game began.
Still in the heat.
1 minute to half time. He's up on his feet. Solid at the fullback position for Chelsea.
And again, Marcel Hansen has spotted something. Colin Samaya is not really happy, but Mo Sharif complaining. Clash of heads, I think.
Colin Samuel has been busy.
And the two were former colleagues.
Yep, once upon a time, here's the free kick. Zakaria threads into the 18-yard box. Mohamed and Wate, miscue complete. Kotoko are let off the hook.
Sash was defended from Mo Sharif. Needed to clear out that ball away from danger, but
3 minutes extra time is almost half time. 3 minutes extra time
yeah,
before
Mo
the end of
Sharif
the
with the
game.
header. But when you expect Mohamed Sharif to deal with it, it's a miscue and it fell for Sapon, who took it on and volley. It was really anxious moment for Kotoko. Look at it again. Mo Sharif with a wonderful header, but here, complete miscue from Mohamed Sharif. And the ball fell for Sapon, who hit it one time on the volley. Listen,
3 minutes of add-on time. It's in Fege who tries to cut through the middle. Held in check nicely. To be the 10 of BEREKUM Chelsea.
I don't know why they're always in the east. When they get to the attacking third, they don't want to be patient and use into the attack. They are always in the east.
Finds Isaac Obong.
There's no Isaac Obong is invincible in this game.
Let him down briefly as the ball traveled over the
He's
line.
horrible from
that
control.
throws.
Game will continue as Chelsea still holding on to it. Obong will be up on his feet and the game will continue. Chelsea nil, Kotoko nil. By add-on time, corner kick. And it goes out.
Yeah, again, from that delivery from Edouard Dramani. Not the best of defending from Kotoko, and two players queuing up for that header. It's Kalu Watara. The final connection, and again, it makes his target. It's a left off for Kotoko.
Kotoko will come forward now, trying to use the byline. In Fege, sent in the cross. Doesn't go too far, it's picked up by Zakaria. It's taken away by Lamptey. Consistency with the Kotoko play as they come forward. The Sheriff tries to fire on target.
Oh, Charlie,
Effort well acknowledged by the technical team.
that's
It's not
fine.
really working for Sharif.
It's half time.
Maxwell Hansen
It's very disappointing
brings
now.
us to the end of the first 45 minutes here at the Golden City Park. Again between BEREKUM Chelsea and Asante Kotoko.
both sides have had lots of chances. Both goalkeepers have been kept busy. But at the end of it all, first 45 minutes has been good enough for both sides. They go back into the dressing room with no goal to show. End of the first 45 minutes here at the Golden City Park. It's BEREKUM Chelsea 0, ASANTE KOTOKO 0.
Alright, so far, I think the first half, first of all, we saw that the pitch was bad already, and I don't know if anybody was expecting the pitch to be good. BEREKUM Chelsea Park has always been good for the past few years. My thought is that the first half was, disappointing. KOTOKO might have had opportunities where they could have scored 2 or 3 goals. Yeah, 2 goals. I think they had 2 big chances. Mfege and Mukwala had opportunity to control the ball and score, but they couldn't. I think right now, the way KOTOKO are playing, if they get a draw, because the referee is just blowing the whistle and someone just falls down, anyone that is the home team gets an advantage in the Ghana Premier League too much. If 2 players go for the ball and both of them fall down, the advantage goes to the home team. So I think if KOTOKO gets a draw from this game, is a good result, because BEREKUM Chelsea are not playing anything. The nature of the pitch is horrible, and the officiating is so bad. So hopefully, KOTOKO get a positive result in this particular game. So far, that's a 0-0 BEREKUM Chelsea, halftime 0-0 KOTOKO. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think right now. Be right back. Alright, for those of you on the live stream right now, KOTOKO are not playing very well. I already said that they'll be lucky to go away to go away with the points, because the officiating is horrible. The pitch is terrible state. So tell me what you think about the game, the first half. I don't think it was a very good first half. Dala Ibrahim made some good saves, and they build up. Once KOTOKO get to the final third, they in a haste to shoot. They don't want to adapt to slow building and get a result. They just want to shoot the goal. So hopefully the second half is a better one, but so far it's horrible. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I am back.
Chelsea players, but what a tackle from Yandamba. Super tackle.
He had to stretch those long legs of his. Yaudangwa. They said Mukwala was tearing away.
Yeah. Mukwala.
Mukwala is now injured. To be a shame. To be a shame if he's injured.
Gonna get a bit of a chit chat between Mukwala and the Japan. And on the right side of the KOTOKO defense is where Chelsea are really running amok around. They seem to have it under their control. Chelsea on the left side, around those channels, they've been that dangerous.
Yeah, well, Chelsea have been forthright when it comes to strong defending. Mohamed Al-Hassan is a bit worried. So is Ghazali.
Yeah, he should be worried because this top striker, the leading marksman for KOTOKO, is being stretched off. And look at the anguish on the face of the coach. Yeah, there again.
Stephen Mukwala is off injured. What I missed?
This is not looking good.
No, it's not a good sign for KOTOKO fans, especially. Lots of talking points there. But there was nothing wrong with the tackle. It was perfect, it was good.
Yeah, he got every bit of the ball. It was tough. It was rigid. But got every bit of the ball. And that of Mukwala.
So KOTOKO momentarily will play 10 against 11 as Chelsea come forward. From the near side now is Yao Dankwa, gentleman who got that super tackle, gets the crossing, but the ball can't get the intended target, is headed away. Stopped by Zakaria. Oh, ball forward, good timing, Edwin. Kufo finds himself in space. Again, the eventual delivery from Edwin was not the best. Sheriff Mohammed takes full control. Chelsea are making a still lurking around the corner. And eventually it's cleared out nicely.
Yeah, again, KOTOKO get to tidy up clearly at the back, but it's not the one that you could be saying KOTOKO are that formidable at the back. The organization is really not the best. And Chelsea are probing.
Players warming up.
What are they playing now?
Clearance.
Ha.
Colin Samia was not happy his complaint to the referee. Throwing quickly effective. Chelsea still inching forward. Cross doesn't go too far. They will still probe. This time is a long throw in into the 18-yard box. Sheriff Mohammed's header. Fiki gets a foot to it. Chelsea will come forward. He dropped the ball. He gets there fair and square. The ball behind here is Colin Samiao. He said, cross by Collins. Header on target.
Should go. Should go.
What a run. Just gets into the chance. Absolute perfection. What
Should
a
go.
easy. KOTOKO are stuck here. Underperform. Plays the ball back. Bring a control from Amaya. Look at the delivery. Great leap from Kalu. Heads the ball beyond the reach of Kalad is beating beyond measure. Super header. It's a delicious header from Kalu Watara and KOTOKO. Outstand. Kalad is beating.
Chelsea 1, KOTOKO 0. The bubble eventually has been burst. Gaston Ejimbo.
Even though the ball was coming a while ago, I told you, we're not really.
Another complete rescue from Sharif Mohammed. It's a corner kick advantage Chelsea, and the fans are up in are under some amount of pressure. BEREKUM Chelsea, after putting pressure on them in the first half, cemented that authority with a convincing goal. Corner kick. Floated it this time, it's headed around, it's headed out of the area. The opportunity comes in again for another cross this time. It goes wide. And I noticed from the technical bench, KOTOKO would want to make a couple of changes. You know, Morrison has been called to brace up.
Yeah, Chelsea are showing class. And because they can play very well on this pitch, they are drawing risks around the KOTOKO defense, and they can't deal with that pressure, KOTOKO.
What a game we do have on our hands. 52 minutes gone. Chelsea 1, KOTOKO 0. Christopher Henning told us that the 8th position was definitely not BEREKUM Chelsea's setting in terms of position.
Well, they've conceded here in the last 2 matches, and there, Opala going off. It's really a pain.
Yeah. On comes Shadrach Ado. And then a second substitution, they're taking on Desi Mofwala. And it's Enoch Morrison.
Yeah, Isaac Opala has been taken off as well. It's Shadrach Ado who comes on.
Good play by Chelsea. Momentum definitely in their favor. Here is Edwin before, but the referees whistle had gone.
Yeah, already they were playing some delightful football. And now that they have their tails up, they will look to wrap it up all out. And KOTOKO better watch out.
This will form with a free kick. And it's the man who's been doing or taking all the free kicks. Flavien. Fresh limbs for the home side is Patrick Antu. Changing places with Emmanuel Sampo.
Yeah, it's a young chap. Patrick Kofi Antu. The chap who scored
Very, very shocking performance.
a lot of goals.
KOTOKO attack non-existent. That is it from Fegi, Nikwala. Unbelievably horrible. When I say horrible, I mean the attack is
On he comes.
dead.
Yeah. Another opportunity that nearly was goal number 2. Wow.
That is what advanced like.
BEREKUM Chelsea almost scored again.
Anytime Kali Watara touches the ball, you get a chant from the fans, BA.
Yeah. Patrick Antu already settling into the game seconds after he came on. Yes, every before. Throwing. Effectively, United challenged by 2 red shirts. Lamptey gains possession. Good fighting spirit from Edwin before, but the referees whistle at them.
Yeah, they need to get Lamptey into the game. He is the maestro, somebody who can pick passes.
Take him off, take him off. Bring four for the
Scorer.
He's been superb today. He has been absolutely superb for Chelsea. Kali Watara, his work rate has been fantastic.
It's fantastic.
His work rate excellent. Yeah, we look at the goal again. Kofo will cut it back. And when Amel had the first touch, it was a perfect ball inside. Delicious delivery. It's a glorious header. What a header. Super header, and the line is not saving that. Headed the ball with a lot of venom straight to the corner.
Yep. Completely beaten down like Ibrahim. There's Watara who gets his name on the score sheet for his side, his 3rd goal of the season. Good fighting spirit. Chelsea threw everybody up front now. Here's Patrick. And she comes forward, plays on the pass through the middle. Wadramani. Mani managed to get in a cross, but it's a bit too strong and too long, that cross.
Again, the Kotoko defense were in tatters, in dreamland. No organization whatsoever.
Who told you
One-on-one
this
situation.
commentator are exaggerating?
Full marks.
It's brilliant play from
Commentator are
I mean, it
exaggerating.
deals with the threat and that pressure.
Chelsea 1, Kotoko nil, 56 minutes gone. Chelsea down to 10 men. Kalu is off momentarily. It's a long ball by goalkeeper Emmanuel. Kotoko trying to be resolute, but it's Amankuna who would edge the fans on.
Yeah, look, the best of games for him, but he's been one of the brightest spots for Chelsea today. Control the ball with his chest, and that's what the fans love. Surely he's a star boy.
Yep. Anytime teams from this part of town, talking about the Bono and a half regions, play and they score, the uproar is BA. Long ball into the territory once again, this time Danlad is alert to his duties.
Yeah, again, it's a free header for Kanu, who just came on. I mean, how on earth would Kotoko be allowing the back line for Chelsea to go through?
How is that not a foul? He even stated. This referee they bring plumbers and carpenters to officiate Kotoko games.
Three organizations to get themselves back into the game.
Yeah, a bit of a contact there. On the fair game.
That man is one.
Yeah, he is.
Thrown into the saddle after coach Zebo left.
Then again, this is what I'm talking about. The delivery from a Japan into the Chelsea 80-yard box. And just look at the number of watches, well organized. And Zakaria Hussein deals with it perfectly well.
Chelsea have the advantage now. We saw from the statistics during the halftime, 50-50. Both sides had given everything they had in the first 45. But it looks like Christopher Ennin starting on the bright side and the bright foot. Getting a goal so far. And Kotoko would have to fight from behind. Free kick advantage to Chelsea. Chelsea have not lost to Kotoko in the last.
How is this a foul? How is this a foul?
So it's almost always a plus for the home side.
I think it's really angry. I thought he won that ball cleanly. I mean, 50-50 ball. Took the ball away with his head.
Strong tackle there. Chelsea have it. Amanguna comes forward. This time held in check and nicely done there by Sheriff Mohamed. There's a big boot for a clearance. Arui from danger zone. An hour played here. We're into the last 30.
We've not seen too much of Kotoko in the final third. If they really want to get back into the game, they must be up and doing when they get into the final third.
Well, I guess it's one of the reasons why Ghazali is still worried. Kotoko will try and put the pieces together as they come forward now through the middle. Every time you run, Sharif's pass goes wayward. Chelsea pick up the pieces, edged on by the fans once again this time. Kalu Watara's pass goes as a back pass to goal.
Yeah, it's all about the pitch. The ball kept bouncing, and when he wanted to pick one across the field, Amankura was lacking, but the bounce wouldn't allow him to pick a perfect ball.
How is this a foul?
Fake very frustrated, but Maxwell Hansen telling him, I saw the target on the shirt.
Obviously, these are the little things that might distract them and take their eye off focus. George Fege. Colin Samuel, header goes forward and eventually is blasted by.
Yeah, again, it's good play from Chelsea, but Amankura had all the time to grip the ball across the face of goal. The first control was excellent. With the header, and it falls for Amankura. Look at the control, perfect control the first time. And the second ball is very disastrous one.
Kotoko rebuild the attack from defense. There's Mohamed Al-Hassan. It's a long ball pass, still keeping the momentum flowing, and this is where Kotoko can get very dangerous. Jamina sets up the pass. A quick battle for it eventually. The referee notices an infringement and gives the advantage to the home team.
So this is what happened.
Nothing.
Zakaria blasted the ball against Morrison, but foot up from Morrison.
Long ball in by Edu, the goalkeeper. Kalu gets ahead to it. Fortunately, Wadramani could not keep it down. Swept up by Kotoko as they come forward. Seeking for that lost glory, seeking for that shine. Back pass there with the back heel. The cross is on, another of those decent crosses. Kalu got his head to it again. Oh no! Disaster for Kotoko. Smiles on the faces of their own fans. Chelsea are up by 2.
Super celebration there at the goal is second back. Once again, let the build up. And when I got the cross in, there's not going to deal with it. It's the progress header from Kalu again. We look at it from this point again. Brilliant delivery. No good of a defender here marking Kalu. And he puts up a progress header. It's an amazing header from Kalu Watara. Super volley. It's an amazing header. And the lad is beaten again. What a goal. Colin Samuel with an amazing
2-0.
delivery.
You believe it was 2-0.
And look at the celebration. Look at the jubilation.
It's Kalu Watara 2. Asante Kotoko nil.
2-0.
I'm sure this was the kind of scoreline the home fans were expecting. It has not been victory for Chelsea at home over a while.
Yeah, blockbuster stuff here at the goal is sitting back. And you can hear the roar from the fans. They are in jubilant mood. And Kotoko are being torn apart here at the goal is sitting back. I spoke about the organization at the back. No communication, no leadership quality. It's been really poor and porous defending from the Burkina Warriors.
Free kicks, Kotoko quickly effected. It will continue, and of course, it's business as usual for them as they come through.
This team is dead. This team is dead. They should just forget about this season. It's finished. This team is dead. They should just forget about this season. It's
Header
finished.
goes forward. Kotoko is theirs to
They
defend.
what's it? They play. What sort of formation is this? They will score more goals.
Forward movement into the 18-yard box is cut back, but there's nobody there to
Just look at
finish.
Who?
Good recovery by Edwin Kufuor.
Unbelievable.
Their eyes on the ball now is Fege. Meanwhile, there's an injury worry for Chelsea. Kotoko still going forward. It's Fege hotly challenged. Still in Fege. Chelsea defense living dangerously. Yadangwa. But eventually, it was Edu who was able to come back to our surprise.
Super play from Ifege. Did everything right. And yet, he was just missing the ball. He doesn't know where the ball is. And instinctively, he couldn't put the ball at the back of the net. Chelsea defense. Goalkeeper had to recover in time. They made a save.
Unbelievable.
Look at the play again. Brilliant play. One round the Adamba. And here it's just unlucky on this occasion. Could have blocked his foot around the ball. Super play. Tremendous play from Ibenge here. Should have knocked that ball straight into the net, but left the ball behind.
Now the goalkeeper is wasting time. Which tell me what happened that once him holding the leg. You know,
Meanwhile, Flavien says he's okay and up on his feet. Here's the 2-goal hero, Kalu Watara. He's going to go there at the office as it is.
Yeah, we spoke about missing a free event track just before kickoff, and the coach was really optimistic that this man, this young chap in your shot will deliver in time. And here, he has been a standout performer for Chelsea today.
The only home match Chelsea haven't scored is the goalless or was the goalless draw against the BNE Gold Stars. Today, they have two, and they sent their fans into a freight. 67 minutes gone. Still time for KOTOKO to get back into the game if they can. Still time for Chelsea to increase the tally.
Not a spirited performance from KOTOKO. Doesn't really look like the KOTOKO we've seen some weeks back. I mean, they've been terrific in the last 2 away matches.
Yeah.
Picked up a win and a draw. And subsequently, we thought they were in better shape coming into this battle, but from end to start, it has been Chelsea. They've been absolutely magnificent.
It's been the colors blue and white.
There you see. I mean, it sums up the whole KOTOKO team's day.
Ghazali indeed is a worried man.
At a point in time, it was Mo Sharif making the errors. At a point in time in Japan, and we've seen Mo Alassane. There's no leadership quality at the back today.
BEREKUM Chelsea still on the offensive. Battling for it. Thought they had won for themselves at Monarchy. The referee says it's a goal kick.
And then we look at it again. Kalu had won the battle over Japan. Just trying to turn away and mysteriously put the ball to touch.
Yeah. Tinubu comes forward now with support from Dramina. Through the middle here is Enoch Morrison. Pass has been intercepted. Patrick Ansi holds deep. Clearance was outside of the playing field by Edwin Kufo. Throwing advantage KOTOKO.
Yeah, what a player he has been, this young chap, Edwin Kufo. I mean, not a natural right back. He's a box-to-box midfielder, but has been shifted to the right side. And what a performance he's putting up today.
this is not a foul.
Throw finds Ifege in Tatis.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, we look at it again, it's Yaldamba.
What a foul.
Making sure Ibenge never get the space to turn. Wins the battle.
Coming into this game, KOTOKO were and still are the highest scoring club. So the expectations, especially among their fans, was that KOTOKO were going to add a couple of goals to their tally that they have chalked so far. 33 goals. Huntley being chased by
Unbelievable.
United.
Unbelievable.
We're into the last 20 minutes of the game. BEREKUM Chelsea 2, ASANTE KOTOKO 0. Zakaria thumps a long one downfield. Maseda didn't get any desired results. Shepherded over the line by Sharif Mohammed. Still lots of talking points among the fans in the stands. Ball forward by Mohamed Alassane. Controlled nicely by Sharif Mohammed. There's some Gaston in Japan. Fancies a long drive, trying to catch him. I think he scores full marks.
I don't think it was going for goal. Japan with that delivery there. I think he has seen the round of Pege here. He's seen him here. He's just trying to whip one and see if Pege can get on the end of it, but straight at goalkeeper I do. He's not had too much to do in this game.
Without a doubt, it looks like it's been the blue and white day. First of all, they are not missing Mesha Kefri because the man who was brought in to take that position has scored 2 goals. They're not missing Gregory Obesechre because Emmanuel Edu has done pretty well so far. At least he's not conceded.
Well, it's all about the Chelsea defense. They've done pretty well to shield Emmanuel Edu away from any danger. I mean, they talk about the pairing in central defense. Yao Edu and Zakaria Hussein David. Super today.
Injury worries for Kalu. He went up and then went down.
Give him a yellow card. He's still up.
He's gone up again. He is on some amount of pain.
Yeah, you can see from his face. Just hobbling off the stretcher.
He goes down again. It's the second time he's gone down and he's stretching off the field. Chelsea have the men to deliver. Quick response from Christopher Nenning. He's got 2 players waiting to come on. Shaib Haruna is one of them. And Pandros is the other. One is John Teddy who tries to cut through. Intercepted by Colin Samia and then the delivery.
Yeah, before kickoff today, KOTOKO were looking to go just 1 point behind the league leaders in Junior Stars, who they play in their next home game, but it has not worked out to perfection today.
Tough encounter it has been. Chelsea, I'm sure they knew what it took when it comes to games against the Porcupine Warriors. Of course, the history also has it that KOTOKO. It's been a while since they won here. Cleared out again. Lots of tough right, I can tell you. And here we go with a substitution. So on goes to Sipandros. Taking the place of Kalu Watara, the race hero.
Yeah, it's a shame. Otara can't continue. He's been the thorn in the flesh of the KOTOKO defense.
And it's Iwad Ramani who also makes way for Shaib Haruna. KOTOKO will also take the advantage to make a change, and it's Dixon the Fuaqua coming on for fullback of Destiny Japan.
To see him back.
Yep. Yep. Had some bright spots, especially during the first round of the league.
And the Japan, I must say, have really struggled today. He has really been under the caution.
Yeah. Off color. So infected will be another one for KOTOKO as they come forward. Slowly but surely, 75 minutes gone. Chelsea lead by 2. Each one safe hands.
KOTOKO trying to create some panic moments, but Richard Lotte will pick that delivery with the left foot, but straight at goalkeeper I do again. It is not the right ball.
Careful defending. Mohamed Al-Hassan got his head to it. Chelsea love to throw everything back at KOTOKO in their own half. Morrison. Ball goes out, advantage to Asante KOTOKO. Through the middle, nicely done. It's Richmond. Pass goes out into touch. John Tinning could not get to it.
We've seen this all afternoon. They struggle to pick passes. Lotte again trying to pick the
Unbelievable.
passes.
This game is
But that's Tinning who can get there in time.
And that was a long back pass from Rocky. smothered by Danlad Ibrahim.
Yeah, a bit of a shuffle from Abdullah Ghazali. We'll see Mo Sharif drift to the right side of defense.
Morrison to Richmond Lamptey. Through the middle, and Lamptey still comes forward. Tries his luck, and blasts wide.
It is better from Kotoko. Lovely 1-2 there. And Lamptey seems to be in the center of everything. Play between him and Mbenge. And when he had the space, he had the courage to hit that one. Again, it's missing target.
Yeah. 13 matches Asante Kotoko have played away from home. They've not scored in 6 of those matches. They lost to Dream 0-2. They lost to Karela 0-1. Goalless with the
Which Mwalande should be fine. Anytime he plays a unnecessary long shot.
Adriana, and then the 0-2 against Michim. Referee wants the ball to be at the exact spot.
So look at it again. It's a clear push from behind from Eric before.
Usually during the second half, inching towards the end of the game, Kotoko can rely on a certain Serge Zeze. The chance is blown wide, long shot on target. But there's no Zeze in the squad today.
Yeah, it's missing because of accumulation of yellow cards. Same as the captain, Richard Boyd Aganas.
Yeah, certainly missed in this game, Aganas. Ball forward, trying to find Stephen Amankuna. Kotoko have other ideas as they push to come forward. Tidying that nicely in the middle by Yaudampa. He's not put a foot wrong in defense, Yaudampa today. Lamptey. And Morrison get to it, no. Over the line it will go.
Yeah, and just before kickoff, Abdullah Ghazali spoke about those key players who were missing in action today, and he said he had perfect replacement for them, so there was no cause for any alarm.
Before with the throw, Collins pushed from behind. Free kick advantage to the men in blue and white.
It's been good, Colin Samuel. I mean, he supplied the second goal, assisted Kalu Watara for that super header. He's had a very good game, Colin Samuel.
Flavien with the free kick. Deep into the 18-yard box. Kotoko work the clearance. Morrison crunches on the pass. And with 1, 2, 3 passes, they're into the half of the opponent, but they just can't take the advantage. Now Chelsea will come forward now, using the long balls to advantage. Shepherding the ball, and referee said that was a fair challenge.
This time around, it's Mo Sharif who is dealing very well with that ball from Amankuna.
Someone is going to score, and they are showing us this thing.
Was there a push? We saw the arm from Mo Sharif at the back of Amankuna, but was it enough for referee Hansen to whistle for a penalty?
And Kotoko have an opportunity as they come forward, but ball is headed out. Elon brings it down nicely. Nothing seems to be working for the Porcupines at this time. The Porcupine Warriors, that is.
Again, nothing seems to be working. And again, if they can't just trap that ball, they lose it. And
10 minutes to full time. Kotoko trail by 2. Throwing advantage to Kotoko. Trying to keep the momentum flowing. Kotoko, yes, they do. Referee says play on. Unfortunately, that was a bit too strong a pass.
yeah, it's a clear foul. And referee Hansen has spotted one. Yeah, Amankuna with that push on Mo Sharif. Referee saw that one. It's a clear foul.
It will be interesting to listen to what Abdullahi Ghazali would have to say at the end of the game. Because he spoke a lot about what they have done, prior to this game in terms of preparations, in terms of training. And it was if the team would turn that into the game today. Obviously, they were looking at a very good performance. I don't think they have done that successfully.
Christopher Enid is relentless on the touchline. Furiously giving out instructions to his boys.
Throw by Edwin, nicely controlled and cleared out nicely by Lucy Andros. Comes to Lucy once again. Handball situation, yes.
Was it a handball? You see?
Yeah. Take a look at it again.
You see, he's just trying to make the pass. I don't think it's a clear handball. Yeah, hit his chest. Probably around the shoulder. And Dromina has been booked for decent.
And it's a free kick to BEREKUM Chelsea. Danlad has conceded 2 goals. He needs to be careful this time around. Behind the ball once again is Flavien Pongoza. It will be another of those empty shots for this time because way off target.
Yeah, it's a poor delivery from Flavien Pongoza. He's had an excellent game today for Chelsea in the heart of midfield. But it's always going to go for power, put laces through. Listen, direction.
Yeah, well,
It's poorly executed.
a couple of players have also played their hearts out for BEREKUM Chelsea. As KOTOKO comes forward with a middle upward bounce and Atlantic no control. But KOTOKO still have the advantage.
They could have struggled with the pitch all afternoon today.
Yeah, they have. It's been very tough for them. Shadrach Bao gets himself into the game. Cross to the far side, the header. That's not cause any problems for BEREKUM Chelsea.
Yeah, this time around it's the perfect ball from Anu. The moment he turns onto his right here, he's going to whip in a delicious delivery. Ifegin able to get at the end of it, but lack a direction to beat Emmanuel Edu.
Chelsea. Goalkeeper Edu will get us underway. BEREKUM Chelsea. It's a comfortable 2-0 lead. Strong header by Dampa. And then eventually cleared out by Edwin before still in play. Lovely pass there by Amankona. Comes off his own player. But they still have the ball to themselves. That's Shaibu Aruna. Thunder strike right.
And that's a howler. It's a mistake of the century from Jalal Ibrahim. He's the icing on the cake for BEREKUM Chelsea. He's been very jittery all afternoon, Ibrahim Jalal. At this point in time, there's no pressure on KOTOKO here. But Shaibu gets the ball under control and wins for the cross. Should be an easy catch for Jalal. He's Pilsing just in front of Bande Council, who has a chaotic net. And puts the ball at the back of the net. Again, we look at that delivery from Shaibu. I mean, he should be dealing with Ibrahim Jalal. What was he thinking? It's an easy finish for Ansu Patrick. And Chelsea are gifted the third goal here. Jalal should be doing better with that save.
Hero of the moment, Patrick Fiantu. Complete whitewashing going on here at the Golden City Park.
3-0. 3-0.
Target and blocked. Clearance It's not the best. But the blue and white have the advantage among this time in final.
Unbelievable.
Incredible scoreline from Chelsea. They'll be out there blazing.
Ball control by Peggy is going on down. Chelsea get themselves out of danger zone. And they are on the threshold of another attack.
I'm Marco Jacob. I agree with you. This team.
What a day it has been at the office for BEREKUM
If
Chelsea.
KOTOKO attacked and they lost, no problem. This one, they were defending in the first half, playing pragmatic style of football.
It's a day to remember.
Unbelievable.
Beyond measure. The best team this afternoon. It's a day KOTOKO would want to forget as quickly as possible.
Yeah. Put it behind them as quickly as possible. And
3-0.
get ready for the next encounter. It's all about the game.
They can't even build a single
Or you draw.
attack. They can't come down and build attack. They just as
Chelsea are
oh
cruising.
my god, this is awful. This is awful. You would think they don't
And it
train.
would be the home win of the season. Beating none other than the defending champions.
Absolute belter here. And they are walking. KOTOKO fans here. The Chelsea fans are singing ASANTE KOTOKO. Yeah.
Well, let's see whether that will ginger them more. Chiriku gets into the attack. It goes through the middle now. Yes, Enoch Morrison. KOTOKO have players committed up front. Infege waits for it. It's still with Morrison. Controlling and trying to find who to pass to. Raminango coming to help. It's a good build-up by KOTOKO as they go forward. To the far side now. Keeping the momentum, keeping the flow. Until ball is cleared out by the goal scorer, Patrick Ansu.
Chelsea fans here.
He has played his part.
Yeah, they're going Neymar.
So Ghana Neymar is off.
And then look
Oh,
at
he's the
Christian
local
Ronaldo
hero.
telling him, I told you so.
Exactly. Well, job has been done. They've thrown in Isaac. Osei-Kwachi. 1 minute to full time. Definitely we'll have a couple of minutes on. Injury worries. He'll be up on his feet in no time. So BEREKUM Chelsea smiling all the way to the bank. And they did this without Henry Ansu, without Meshak Efriye. At least two standout names, two standout players who are not in action today. One sits out this game, the other has gone out to seek greener pastures. 90 minutes, we have 4 minutes of add-on time. Will 4 minutes be good enough for KOTOKO to get back? Or for the opponents, Chelsea, to get another goal? Ball control, yes, Patrick Ansu. Ball has been taken away from him. Enoch Morrison. It's in fake in the Lone Ranger up front. He goes against the Yao Dankwa. Yao Dankwa does what matters most. Coming forward now, KOTOKO, it looks good for them. Referee judged that to be fair. And so BEREKUM Chelsea. Moving forward now. Chapo just came on Isaac Kwachi. Through the middle. Colin Samuel. What a game he's had today. There he goes and gets the ball for the second time and then lays on the pass. And then eventually he kicks it over the line. Kotoko. Referee says no, bring the ball back. Kotoko in a haste to see whether they can at least get a goal. And that was the outstretched legs there. And then the eventual tackle came from Flavien. Flavien, good day it has been for him. Generally, BEREKUM Chelsea have shown some class. Goes into the referee's books. Good turn by Patrick as he comes forward, spreads play to the near side. And Teddy got into that, and so the advantage will go to Chelsea. Edwin before will effect the throw. Shadrach Bar gets the ball to Edwin. Edwin throws. Collins gets it back to Buffon. And Buffon wins another throw. And when the ball goes out this time, is that Kotoko players to bring in the ball to the Chelsea players to continue the game. What a turn of events. Whacked away nicely. Josh Figge gets the advantage. We have done 2 of the 4 minutes of time added on, but eventually cruising into the last seconds. BEREKUM Chelsea 3, Asante Kotoko 0. That's the scoreline here at the Golden City Park. Affected by Mohamed Al-Hassan, goes through the middle. But that is cleared out. Wing boot at that by Zakaria, the captain. Mohamed Al-Hassan gets ready for the throw. Sharif Mohammed goes through the middle. Love to see the effort of Rocky. Long ball to the far side. Opportunities there, and the news is not too happy with Richmond Lamptey. That long ball, it was a who went up there, collided with the Kotoko player. Lamptey got into a tangle there with Edwin before. Couple of seconds remain in this game.
It's full time. Kotoko 0, BEREKUM Chelsea 3. Shocking performance.